Hello friends, today I have a story for you all that is in English. If you are new on my channel, please like, share and subscribe my channel. Today's story name is The Snake and the Bird. The Snake and the Bird. And do you know, today's story is with a quiz inside. So please listen the story till the end. Okay kids, so let's begin today's story. Once upon a time, in a forest, there was a big tree, and on the top of the tree, there lived one bird. Chew, 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 chew. And on the same tree, downside in a hole, there lived one snake. Hiss, hiss. And the bird and the snake, they both were good friends. They are best friends. One day, when the bird was sitting on the top of the tree and the snake was resting inside a hole. And that time, do you know kids what happened? There came a mongoose who wants to eat the snake. Yay, this is the hole where the snake lived. I want to eat the snake today. Let me wait outside of this hole. And the mongoose was roaming near the snake house. And he was waiting to snake come out. And on the treetop, the bird saw that. And the bird was thinking, oh no, how I will save my friend from this mongoose? What I will do? Then the bird suddenly started chirping loudly. Chew, 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 chew. Children, today's question is, which is hardest substance on the earth? Which is the hardest substance on the earth? And here to this sound, the bird's other friends came there, and they all were started discussing how to save their friend snake. And they started discussing. Chew, 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 chew. After discussing some time, they all went down and started biting this mongoose. And the mongoose ran away from there. And like this bird saved his friend's life. So, what is the moral of the story, kids? Moral of the story is, the friend in need is a friend indeed. And children, answer of the question is, did you think? Answer is camel. Answer is camel. Now let's meet next Friday with a new story. Till then, bye bye.